What's up guys, I am at Mbudya island, which is situated 20 minutes away from the coast of Dar es Salaam, and I have come here for a Sunday day out with my group of friends to enjoy the place. I've heard a lot about this place. It's my first time to Mbudya island, so I'm gonna take a tour around on Mbudya island and show you guys how this island looks like. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we just have found out some new place in the Mbudya island, which is leading us to the backside of the island. So apparently we are on a super small 30 to 45 minute trail, which will lead us to the back of the island. So yep, let's see how it goes on. Guys, we just hiked. We finished the hike and we've come to the end of the hike, but the view is not worth it as much as the hike. So believe me, there's no need to come on a hike to Mbudya. So like, you guys just need to relax on the beach and not do the trailing hike, which is quite painful. Lots of rocks, sand, thorns, but yeah, as you can see, I'll show you. The people are literally gone crazy after what they did in the hike, which was really painful, and this brings them to frustration or happiness. Taking some fresh dip in the ocean after some difficult and terrible hikes, which were kind of not worth it, but yeah, enjoying the sea as you can see.